Alright, so now we're back testing July. Ooh, I forgot what I was doing. Oh yeah. So now last month I finished at like a 55% win rate, which is low-key buns because I'm really targeting like around a 1 R, like no more than 2. Very rarely will I ever get a 2. So I was targeting like 1 RR, rarely getting 2. So yeah, 1-to-1, 1-to-1 R, 55% win rate, which is buns. And then another thing that I was also doing was focusing on time and price discounts. Time and price discounts, so like time being daily open, 4-hour open, 8:30 open, whatever. And then I was also focusing on AMD setups on both high time frame and low time frame. Yeah, I was trying to identify the AMD setup and then pair that also with the time and price discount. So now that I have this shitty ass win rate, because I'm trying to increase my win rate, but low-key, I don't know, it's low-key buns. So why don't I just increase my R? So at a 55 to 60% win rate last month, because on average I get like a 60% win rate. Like my win rate overall on this backtesting session, my win rate overall is like in the 60s, like low 60s, but I'm only targeting 1-to-1. So now let's just aim for like a 60% win rate, but we target 1-to-2, 1-to-2 R, and then I'm going to focus on this still, because that's kind of like what I trade, AMD PO3, but I'm like focusing on the higher time frame, and low time frame AMD, and then just combining it with time and price. So let's aim for 60. Where's it? Percent win rate, 1-to-2 RR. AMD PO. AMD on both high time frame and low time frame, and then time and price discounts. So let me anchor this. Oops, wrong button. Alright, bet. Bum 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 bum. Fuck. Got rid of that drunk too. Alright, so we are on the daily time frame. Wait, can I lock this? Okay, bet. So this is that daily time frame. We're in all-time highs, 4-hour. Okay, and it looks like we're respecting this daily gap. So on the daily time frame, you can see we once got into this gap. Go on the 4-hour, we can see this huge rejection wick and then huge downward movement. We're probably going to these lows. I hope this is previous day low. This is a previous day low. And then you can see on the 1-hour that, yeah, we retrace, respect the leg, and go lower. Right now, there is an SMT at this low. When did we put in this SMT? We put it in 4 a.m. And then what do I expect these SMTs to do against the trend? I expect them to rebalance. So we can either look for this gap to hold, or if these gaps want to hold by having support from this gap or this gap, then we can look to take out this high, which is also London high. I prefer the shorts, but let's also see. We have 17. We have the daily open over here, DO. D O template, save as. We have daily open over here. We have, what else? Here is the true day open. We open. Doesn't manipulate it to anything. I like the higher time frame. We do go lower, and then we sweep out this low, put in that SMT. So, yeah. Loki looks, yeah. 15 minutes. Check out this 15-minute. Okay, yep, same thing pretty much. We have equal lows at these gaps, so this is a pretty good target. Oh, and then we have sort of an AMD right here. ES is already about to take out this high. We did manipulate into these gaps and go higher, but yeah, we have an AMD right there. So let's see what we do off open. Boom. So here's 8:30 open. Damn, such a shitty ass. Let me put this right here. So we fucking open lower, soup out these lows, put in that SMT. There's this 15-second inversion probably, but I don't trade 15 seconds. So, oops. Okay. So we can just mark out the range too. From here to there. Okay, we are in equilibrium. We've tapped equilibrium. These highs are not tapped. If we want to respect this gap, maybe we can inverse this. Like this. But dude, I don't like the close. We have the London high above, but we have this intermediate high protecting it, so that would be my break even, and that would honestly be where I would like to get out. We have a CISD here. We have this inversion. We can target something like that, but even then, it's like, what is this low protecting all this LR right here? So I don't like it, and on top of that we have SMT at these sides. I just don't like the way structure looks so far. So we re-sweep out these lows. Okay. Yeah. Looks like we're respecting this and we're not holding these. So the draw is this low. This SMT is not valid. So get rid of this. This low is the draw now. And then what is this previous day low? Let's see. Alright, and then we take out previous day low. Let's see what we have now. Fuck. We're probably done. We could catch a mech potentially. We have 5 minutes down here. No need to target this low though because it's low-key high resistance. But what is this? 9 AM open, absolutely no manipulation. And where are we going towards? We're going towards this 15-minute gap right here. So once we get into this gap, we would also be, we're already in discount. We'd also be in a time and price discount if we hit this gap. AMD, there is none. Daily open is right there. So let's see what we do. What the fuck? This 30-second inversion. So there's this inversion, and I'm targeting this mech. I'll fade it. Fuck! I should have taken it. I should have taken it. All right, that probably is trying to trade it. This is probably over. This session's probably over. Yeah, that's probably it for this day. I wonder if I should do 2 weeks in this video or just 1 week. Bro. Now we're in this range, dude. Now it's a little confusing, but it looks like we ended up sweeping out this limit into this 4-hour. And then on top of that, we have this SMT now. So the draws are probably going to be like this high, which is this previous, what is that, previous day high? Yeah, previous day high right there. It's low-key buns, bro. This price action is buns. We have good LR. We have the London high right here, which is goated. London high. We have, where's the day open? Hey, okay, look on that daily open. We didn't go anywhere at all to the downside. And then now that we have this SMT as well. So from here, I don't think we are in like a A+ spot to distribute higher. We're not really hitting any PD arrays. But it's just the fact that from here, I do think we are. Because this was that 4-hour gap. We swept this intermediate low and had this reaction up. So I could argue that, oops, day opened, we rebounced the range, and now we're pushing up and we put in this SMT. So the only way for me to know if you want to go higher is, oh shit, we took out all this LR right here, is if we retrace into this 15-minute gap. Okay, but there you can see there's an AMD over here pre-market. We had this accumulation, manipulation, and then we put in the SMT. That's going to get that move higher. Let's see what we do off open. Okay. Damn, bro, what the fuck? Oh my gosh, we just rip up. We had 1 minute retracement. I don't trade 1 minute retracement, bro. I don't like the way structure looks overall on the higher time frame too. We took out previous day highs, so let's see what we do from here. Do we have any 5 minutes? 5-minute gaps. So we did get above true day open. Now we're above true day open, so now we are in a price discount. And we can argue that we're in a time discount too. 8:30 open. No manipulation at all to the downside. So now we have another SMT with these highs. So it really depends on what we do. 8:30. Oops. Open. This is the 8:30. My mouth is so dry. I'm looking at this 1 minute. Is this a 1 minute gap? We have this inversion. Do we have a 5 minute? 15. Okay, we're souping those highs on the 5 minute. We have a stack PO3 setup. We have 840 or 845. 845 goes higher, resweeps out this high. We have we are in the price and time discount. Here's 8:30. Here's that 5 minute gap. Fuck it. Let's see, because now we have that higher time frame SMT. Have my stop above there because this is a CISD. Targeting this. I'll target this 830 level because that puts me at the 2 RR. But look how we're swooping these. 5 minute. Oh shit, 5 minute open soon. I'll actually wait to see what we do from this 5 minute. Because we're entering what, and then we have this 5 minutes, so let's see. Boom. And then you see how we respect it. Oh, no we don't. Bruh, what are we doing? Oh, Powell's talking today. This is looking risky. Now we have an AMD. Let's remove all these drawings. You can see 9 AM open. We have an AMD. This is, I believe there was a 15 minute. Okay, there's a 15 minute right here. There is a higher time frame SMT. Here is range high, range low from this swing high to that swing low. Not in the discount. We are bullish. SMT at these highs though, just low-key ass. Let's see what we do though. Let's see what we do. Okay, accumulation here, manipulation down. We swept out these lows into this cap. Do I take the CISD entry? Bruv. Lucky thing I just missed a possible entry with this Mac model here. So an entry would look something like, oops, entry, we have a CISD. After swooping out these highs, we have 5 minute gap. This is terrible R. What would I target though? Do I target all these lows down here? Let's see what price does. So we hit that 5 minute, I get break even, and then yeah, just go higher. Fuck, bro. Okay, there you go. We have better structure now. Well, a little bit. We just broke out of this range. This range was so confusing. Okay. So we have SMT at this high. Okay. 4 hour. We have this huge imbalance. We have this fat ass imbalance. And then here is that range high to the range low. You can see accumulation here. The manipulation is what swept out this high. We put in that SMT and then have that closure down. Here's the day open. It's not a bad trade. Bro, why is the overnight sessions are low-key moving better than like the New York sessions? Okay, oopsies, 30 minute, let's go on 30 minute. No gap on a 30 minute. No gaps on a 15 minute. But this 4 hour is a good draw. Fuck it, let's see. We have accumulation here, let's see what we do. Is there seriously no gap at all in the 30 minute? Bruh. All we have is this intermediate high. 1 hour. 15 minutes. Damn, there's actually nothing, dude. Okay, let's just see. There's 8:30 right there. Okay, we swept out the intermediate high. We have a CISD. If I were to take the CISD, what the hell would I target, dude? We have an inversion of this gap. That doesn't even give me 2R. What am I targeting, bro? What am I targeting? Those lows down there give me a 2R. Fuck. What do I do? What do I do? Let's see. I would like it better if we put in like a SMT maybe with this high. We do have an SMT right now with those highs, but 15 minute, we're closing above these. Like, we're not getting any reaction out of this. So we're closing above this gap. We have a 5 minute right here. Okay, now we have that SMT. Boom. I'm not gonna take that 30 second. FOMC minutes, and then news at 9, so might as well just wait for 9. Oh my gosh, bro. What do we do? What do we do? Damn, bro, what the fuck is this price action? Okay, we have accumulation here. Holy fucking shit. 15 minute. Let's get rid of these fucking drawings. We have this gap, this 15 minute gap. We've already taken out this high, that high too, so I guess that SMT isn't holding up there and we don't want to go lower to these gaps. We have this intermediate low, that's also a data low. And then the data high up there, so. So we hit this data high, we have accumulation, and now we have an SMT. This data low down there. Let's see how we react off of this. Five minute here and a 5 minute there. It's late into the session. I'll be going break even pretty quickly. It is against the trend. What up? Oh, fuck. I'll fade this. So, 3 days in a row, no trade. Dude, we're just ripping up, bruh. This year, I've noticed the overnight or like the PM session will just rip up. Shit. Okay, we have an SMT with this high. Move. Beach. SMT with this high up here. We have all this accumulation overnight. Good accumulation. We have day open over here, which did absolutely nothing. Not true day open, day open. We have a 4 hour just below here. I want to see an open into this 4 hour, then go higher. And now we also have a high ass time frame AMD. News, no news this day. It's fucking July 4th, bro. Oh my gosh. What do we do this day? Okay, we sold off. Oh my gosh, this might be a no trade week for me. So we opened into this 4 hour, we went up, boom, we went higher. Okay. So I don't think that we have to go to this low then, because this is what this data low, right? We can see the day open right here. We went into this 4 hour, we had this expansion move up. Now we created all these gaps, created 4 hour gaps. This bottom 4 hour gap. And I mean, we technically respect it. I mean, we're still within this range. You can see obviously this was made by this data high, or this data wick. 730 datas. So yeah, what do I want to see? What do I want to see? I hope we open low. Ideally take out this data low, but we probably don't have to. And then go higher to the data high. Oh my gosh. Are we just gonna rip to data high? Oh shit. Hey, okay, bet. We create this 15-minute right here. We have a little bit of accumulation above. Well, what is this 15-minute protecting? All this fucking LR though. I don't like how it's like this 15-minute is in line with all this LR and we didn't take it out. And then you zoom out on the higher time frame, we still are within this range. I do like the reaction out of this. I'm just not gonna get my 2R. Maybe if we get a retrace into this, like a retracement into there, I can get my 2R, 2R-ish. But if it's an all-time high, like if this is the all-time high, is this the all-time high? Oh, we're on all-time high. Okay, so this is the all-time high. I will take it if we get that. Nigga, oh my gosh. Oh, there's a 2-minute. Okay. Let's see what we do now. Showing at all-time highs is stupid. What did he do? Just retraced into a 5-minute. There was this 5-minute right here. Man. There was this AMD right here, just off of what? Dog, I don't fucking know. And then we go higher. So what trade could I have taken today, dude? I wanted this, but we didn't retrace into that 1 minute. We retraced into that 2-minute. Right, I could have taken this right here. I would have gotten break even. Man, alright, that was a no trade week. That's low-key ass. I'm just gonna start entering. See? Oh my gosh, expansion up. No, keep it. Low-key ass. No trade week. We hit this 4 hour. You can see we're respecting that 4 hour. Here's this day open. Looks like the day open went into this 4 hour and we went up. We're on all-time highs, so I think we are in a good spot to just keep going higher. Because 4 hour, and we have a 1 hour right here. So let's see if we can open into this 1 hour. AMD, you have accumulation here. We have a little bit of accumulation there. Move out the way. Yeah. Okay. So here is the 830 open. $830 open. Mark out the range high from this low to that low. You can see that we are in equilibrium. Bro, are you serious? Okay. Let's see what we do now. Shorting off an all-time high and watch the shit play out too. Accumulation. Okay, we have some accumulation now. We have a bunch of low resistance down here. We have a 5 minute above right there. Okay, so we tapped that 5 minute earlier. Fucking nothing. We re-sweep that high again. And then we also put in an SMT with these highs. Okay, so 830. We did go higher. Where's the day open on this? It's below over there. We have a shit ton of LR below. We have this CISD. Is this going to be a CISD or is this going to be like strong rejection? Okay, cool. Resweep out those highs. Damn, dude. Okay. Because I don't really want to be shorting too during all-time highs. Oh my gosh, bro. What is this fucking shit? Okay, bet. 9 a.m. Did we have news at 9? No. We swept out these lows. Okay, we have all-time highs right there. We still have a shit ton of lows below. Did this 1 hour hold? This 1 hour technically did hold, so we swept out this intermediate low. Okay. ES is also in a very good spot to just distribute higher. Okay, I don't really trade like this, but $59. I will take this CISD and then I'll target 2R like this. So targeting the all-time high. Break even at that 9 o'clock low. Okay, SMT as well. Yeah, there is an SMT as well. Seek out those lows. I don't really trade like this. I'm trying to figure out how to fucking get 2R. So let's just see how this plays out. Cool. Break even for me is going to be the all-time high, so this high. Or did I say it was going to be this? I don't remember. Oh, brother. Oh my gosh. Okay. So let's see if we take out all that LR into that 4-hour gap. We don't. Okay. Oh my gosh. And then the move starts down there. Tuesday, we have pretty good draws. We have, was this previous day high? Oh no, this is just Asia high. London, not London high. We tap into this 4 hour. You can see the higher time frame AMD. You can see like this accumulation. 15 minute, we broke out this range, put in that SMT. I think in this scenario, I low-key want to wait until ES takes out this low. Yeah, because this 4 hour on ES is like, I don't think ES is ready to distribute higher. I mean, we did hit this 1 hour, but we did deliver higher already. We did respect this. We have to deliver higher. We close below, sweep out these lows. So I want to wait until this 4 hour gets hit on ES. Alright, you know what? I'm just going to press long. Oh. Nigga, what the fuck is this? SMT at these highs. SMT at all-time highs. I don't usually trade like this. 1 to 3 R. Dog. Oh fuck. Powell's talking this day as well, bro. I think if I want to get a higher R, bro, it's hard, dude, because we're just going all-time highs. All-time highs isn't like a set draw. Like by the time we're at all-time highs, we're right here. I can only get like a 1 R. So, what can I do? Do I just settle for the 1 R trades? Within this, I don't know if this is gonna be a good trade or not, dude. Like we have so much LR below. Okay, there you go. This is actually good manipulation now. This, I don't know if I want to count this as manipulation because we don't manipulate into actual P rate. Now we're actually in good spots to deliver higher. Look at this 5 minute. Look how this 5 minute is about to close. Only thing I don't like is we don't have any draws. We do not have any draws, twin. But I gotta figure out this shit somehow. I'll look at this inversion. Look at the reaction out of this. I'll just enter off this inversion tab, bruh. And I'll target these highs, bruh. All-time high. Fuck. 1.8. 1.8. So that means, fuck it. I guess I'll just have my stop right there. Shit. Let's see how this works out. Okay. 30. Okay. I'll enter this then. Stop, same place. Targets, all-time highs. Order. My break even. I'm actually gonna hold my break even until we get an SMT or some shit. Did ES hit this high? No, it's equal highs. Okay. 2 losses this day. Shit. Okay. So this is the draw. I'm just gonna keep longing until we fucking get proved wrong. We have an SMT, so I'm expecting a rebalance. Like, please can a rebalance. I don't even need a fucking accumulation. Okay. I like this so far. Mark out this range high to this range low. What did we do off daily open? Oh shit. Okay, daily open, we didn't even do anything. We just shot up daily open. So I can't really use I can't really use daily open as time discount. I can use the 8:30 open as time discounts. See 8:30 open. Did 8:30 open sweep out these highs? It did. Okay, let's see how we do. Okay. So, fuck it. I'll just take a 15-second. You have the inversion that looks like that. And then we have the SMT. And then my draw is the all-time high. But I'll have it like that. And then break even. I don't want to go break even at this 5-minute, dude. I mean, all time. Look how bullish we are. I think I will let this play out until we get to this high. Then I go break even. Okay, break even. All-time high. I could target the all-time high just right there. That's like at a 3R. Yeah, fuck it. All-time highs. Alright, bet. We have this 1-minute tab. Let's see if we want to respect it or not. Because I see this AMD. Okay, bet. Fuck, dude. First win a week and a half later. 2R. I took a 15-second inversion based off this 1 hour that we technically went way below. I said fuck this shit. I fuck all these lows, bro. I'm just gonna ignore the LR at the fucking 15-minute gaps. News. Oh shit. Okay. President Biden. Oh, this is when Biden was in office. We have the 7:30 data highs. Obviously. We have all this accumulation right here. Move out the way. We have 18, 16, 17. Daily opens right there. I want to see us go lower. Oh yes, for sure go lower. Look at this draw. We have a 4-hour. Shorting in all-time highs. I don't like that. So we have an SMT, but I don't like this SMT because ES or NQ I would say is not really in the valid spot to go higher. We're not in any Peters. Okay. But this is the draw. This data high. It's all-time high and data high. So I want to see us accumulation sweep out these lows and then go higher. We have. Damn. Okay. Shit. Hit this bitch, Nick. Hit this bitch, please. I'm not longing until we hit this 4-hour. There you go. Oh, that's a very good reaction. 2 minutes. I'm not even gonna take the highest time frame inversions. Look at that reaction. Oh yeah. long, and it's a CSD. I'll have my stop. You can have my stop right there. Try to get the all-time high. Honestly, goated reaction. Damn! Okay, shit. So that's that. Stop this out. I'm gonna just say we have an SMT. Okay. I'll enter this one then. I don't follow my rules because I don't need to. We have accumulation, manipulation lower into this. So my break even is going to be up here at these equal highs. Okay. Now we want to be bearish, bro. What the fuck? Bro, this shit is so gay. Now we want to be bearish, dude. Alright, that's probably it for this day. When we get a dump like this, bro. Fuck. Holy fuck, dude. Look at this. Now we want to be bearish, bro. When I can't catch fucking longs to the all-time high. Last day of the week. Okay, I'm gonna end it right here because I low-key have hella losses. I have 1 win and like 5 losses, dude. But we're bearish as fuck right now. We have this accumulation here. News. News. We have news at 9. 4 hour. What do we have? This huge gap. I think we rebalance. I think we're going to rebalance this. This whole range, dude. Like, are we in the daily gap? We're in the daily gap. We took out this low into this daily gap. So, where is this shit? 7 o'clock we open. We go lower. So we go this. We can either hit this 4 hour, respect it, and go to this daily low, or we can go to this daily low and then go higher. Let's see. We're still in this accumulation. Alright, we hit this 4 hour. We do have a good AMD here. We can target this data low. Let's see how we play off of this. Okay, we're rebalancing this range. Okay. I'm going to say we don't want to go lower to that data low. I'm saying we're probably going to want to rebalance this whole range. I probably could have caught a mech. Oh my god, I probably could have caught a mech to this 15 in the gap. Actually, no, I could not. Okay, we have a bit of accumulation here. We have 9 AM open being over here. 9 AM open being right here. So now we're in a time discount. Price discount, can we find a range? Okay, no, I can't find a range. Like if I just marked it out from right here, no discount. Let's see. If we respect this 15-minute, I'm saying we want to go higher. Okay. Boom. I still think we want to rebalance. 2. Is this an SMT now? No, this is triple equal highs. Okay, now I go break even because we have the SMT in my draw. Bet. Oh, brother, dude. I think I have like a fucking 10% win rate these past 2 weeks, bro. That's 50 minutes of back testing. Half the month of July. Trying to aim a 2R. I only had 2 fucking winners. So, yep. Let's go over my losses and see what I can do from there.